Hello viewers, welcome to the First West Thrift Store. Right now I have just come across this Breezeway The logo is kind of blurry because I was moving the camera quarter too well. And here's the price tag. It's $6. And it is a 9-inch box fan, which I'm surprised it was supposed to be having 2 swivels or 2 feet to be placed. But unfortunately, this one came with only one. And it is a 3-speed box fan. And this is a Breezeway. Here's the information. This is a Breezeway MBF-907 9-inch box fan, which is made with 120 volts AC and 60 Hz with 0.60 amps at 40 watts of power, with the output being at 120 volts AC and 60 Hz at 0.60 amps. Made in China. Surprisingly though, I haven't even tested this one out, so I'll make sure to get it and see if it works. Anyway, that was it for this video. May God bless every one of you.